Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here from WORKPRO. This is going to be it says it's a 3-piece pry bar, scraper, and nail punch set. So let's see what we got here. So we have look at this little teeny tiny little pry bar. It's like that. And it's got the scraper on it as well. And it's solid, man. I wouldn't be able to bend this thing anything. So this is probably going to work pretty good. Some smaller nails. We have this as a nail punch one here. This would be where you can just start a hole in something like that. You just put that down there. You can hammer it on the end. It's got a nice metal end of it for getting the hole started. We have this pry bar, which is the bigger one version of it. So you could pry up and take out a bigger nail. It's got this here. You could probably get in there with a screw or a bigger nail and pry it up that way. And then the scraper on this end. And it looks like those are the pieces that we got. This is a 3-piece set. These are the 3 pieces. So how cool. These are nice and solid, not going anywhere, and nice kit to have if you needed some pry bars and a hole punch, or a hole starter. So thumbs up, I like it.